The Quest for Silence. Exploring the world's quietest place. In a world filled with noise and distractions, it's no wonder we're all craving a little peace and quiet. But, as it turns out, even the quietest place on Earth can be too much to handle. Welcome to the Anechoic chamber at Orfield Laboratories in Minnesota, where the silence is so deafening that the longest anyone has lasted is just 45 minutes. This surreal room is so quiet that it measures a staggering negative 9.4 decibels, making it the perfect testing ground for companies to gauge the loudness of their products. Even NASA has sent astronauts here to prepare them for the eerie silence of space. But be warned, spending time in this chamber can be deeply disorienting. Without the familiar cues of everyday sounds, people struggle to orient themselves and even stand upright. As Steven Orfield, the lab's founder, puts it, you take away the perceptual cues that allow you to balance and maneuver. The result? You become the sound. Your heartbeat, breathing, and even stomach gurgling become the only noises you can hear. It's a truly mind-bending experience that will leave you questioning your perception of silence and sound.